Thank you, Simon. First, I would like to say I'm very happy to take a part of this with you today, but I'm really sorry that I couldn't be live with you. But hey, this is the good thing about the internet, that we can be together even if we're not at the same place and the same time. So I'm here to tell you, as a student perspective overview, how I found the structure of this task to publish the book Open Science Guide of the Guides. First, I would like to say that I really love the structure of this lecture, how it was planned from Mrs. Bloemel and Mr. Worthington, how they always have prepared for us references where we can go and read more about the subject. So to the time of the lecture, we have already some basis knowledge about the subject that we're going to learn about. And the section of collaborative writing where all the students have been writing in the same document at the same time for the same task. So what was helpful in this idea in Fetus Writer, where we were all writing at the same time, is that as a student you can check what other students were writing, and to be sure that the length of the text that you've written is right, or not too much, not too little. This was very helpful for me, and I really like the idea of writing with other students at the same time. Only one challenge was with finding a good guide to cite. So I've really found in the internet, while searching in Google, really good references or websites writing about open science, for example, but unfortunately they weren't scientific to be able to cite them in this book. So only this challenge was for me. And being able to learn about the Zotero tool for citation was very useful for me, because I haven't used citation tools and I'm not a really big fan of these tools because I had some difficulties with Citavi. But I really liked this tool because it was very handy and helpful, because every time you add a reference, you can just add a tag to find it again, where you can see the tags in the link on the left of this tool. Also good about this Zotero citation tool is that there are too many online citation styles that anyone can just download them online and use it. There are, like, you can go online and Google it and just download the style that you like to citate with. And learning how to use the GitHub tool was very, very helpful for me. What was very helpful were the step-by-step that Mr. Worthington has uploaded for us and gave to us to follow each step in order to learn how to collaborate and how to publish our work, and to add them as branches to the main branch. That was very helpful for me, that I've learned how to do it without writing over other people's works or even doing any mistakes. Even the idea of choosing the cover of the book, how it was made, was very fun for me, because it was like a competition between all the students. Each one of us had to do or design a cover for the book, and one of them will be chosen as the best one. That will be the cover of the book. This have given me the motivation to do my best, and some feeling of just want to challenge other students. And in the last step, where we had to publish the work that we've been working on, it was a really good thing to be responsible for that, the one that clicks the button to publish the book. It just gives me, as a student, that I'm still in the 6th semester, a really good feeling that I have my own ORCID ID and I can just publish a book. And I just didn't have this idea that books can be so easily published to everyone that can read without going to a very long process. I love this, and I was very happy to be able to click the button to publish our book. At the end, thank Mrs. Bloemel and Mr. Worthington for the knowledge that they gave us, and I'm really happy to be able to take all of this knowledge and be a part of this. Thank you very much, and now I will hand the presentation again to Mrs. Ina Bloemel.